Good afternoon, everybody. Distinguished panelists and delegates all across our India. I am extremely delighted to be here, and I am very much thankful to Manthan and DEF for considering my project worthy in the winning category. The concept calls itself is Collectors Information System. As quoted there, web-based and mobile-based management and information system. Next slide. It is a logo that is Collies. Next. We have seen that earlier discussions in earlier sessions. Many experts have opined that it is very difficult at the taluka level offices, particularly government sector, to have a perfect and full-fledged infrastructure, internet connectivity. All those issues are prevailing in your district also. Next. So, as somebody rightly said in earlier session that e-governance is just enabling, technology is enabling us to go ahead. Whereas we need to have a transformation of the system. My vision was, the project of my vision was complete transformation of the age-old pragmatic system into a simpler system that is quite user-friendly to farmers, to the litigants, to the employees, as well as other stakeholders. That was the vision in fact. Next slide. These are the objectives, because I will tell you the example. If you imagine the scenario of any Tahsil office, if any litigant goes there, not as applicant, litigant means land dispute cases are being processed there by the presiding officers. This is a kind of quasi-judicial procedure there. And appellants and respondents and their counsels are represented, and they argue, they leave the evidence, and the case is, finally the case is adjudicated, judgment and order is passed by the concerned officer. In my district there are 89 courts. One is additional collector's court. What I thought, it took 4 to 5 years to achieve to this level in fact. What is the scenario? But each time the client or the farmer or the litigant has to go to the particular court to know what is the next date of hearing. To get his order, that is certified copy of that particular judgment, he has to personally go to the particular office. And the scenario was that there was a kind of opaque system was there. There was no transparency at all. Corruption was prevailing there. Middlemen were there. Touts were there. This was the situation. So at the very start, before 4-5 years back, what I did, I used to pass an order and just used to display it on in front of my office and in that particular village. After that, I was working in one district, Latur. I used to convert it into the PDF and hyperlink it with Excel sheet. Then after, when I joined in Kolhapur district, my small team of NIC officers and my clerks, we sat together and devised this formula, that is web-based management system, through which we are able to communicate all the litigants and advocates simultaneously at each stages. Despite that, they can easily ascertain the case status, as well as they can see the final judgment and orders from the web portal. And if it is not possible by means of these two methods, they can approach to the CFC centers at village level and get their judgments. And all the judgments are digitally signed judgments. And my whole portal is in Marathi, that is user-friendly one. So they can access my website, and this is a kind of proactive disclosure of information. Our motto was, when we sat together and started discussing what should be the motto, we decided that each and everybody has right to know what the collector does in the office. So instead of they approaching us to get the information, we proactively decided to send our information to them by means of these different modules. One of those modules is, that is e-rev code. Rev code means e-revenue code. At front level it is still a paper based, but at processing end and at final end, that means judgment passing and communication, all those are electronically one. Second module is easy recovery. Easy means E for electronic, G for government, recovery. That means our stakeholders who are the taxpayers, they can, without approaching to the treasury directly, or without approaching to the Tahsil officer or collector office, to getting their challans physically passed by particular officers, they can virtually go to our site, they can register, and they can even by means of internet banking, they can pay their taxes. This is a simple and easy mode we have developed in Kolhapur district, that is called as easy recovery, through which we are collecting entertainment tax, even stamp duty, all across our district, and it is successfully being done. For your information, there is no external consultant at all we have hired for this project. Only 3-4 clerks and 2 field engineers of NIC and myself, we have developed this kind of project. And e-row code, see, 1,94,000 hits are there, and I have uploaded, scanned 161 acts of important. Those are being dealt by the district magistrate or collector as far as civil and magistrate cases are concerned, and I kept it as an e-library that can be referred, that is being referred by all the probationary officers, all the revenue officers, all across our Maharashtra. So at one portal only, this has become visible for to study even law students. They can study all my orders which are published on the website, and they can easily, very well, they can be trained. The biggest challenge what I found in my in revising this theory is that as somebody rightly said, IT is just a enabling kind of facilitating kind of thing. Resistance or immunity from lower machinery as well as higher authority was a big challenge for us. Imagine if I asked all my clients and all the advocates to give their mobile numbers and give their UID numbers, how much time it would have taken to collect these things. All the advocates, they were quite reluctant to give their mobile numbers. Mobile numbers of clients, because as soon as I pass an order, immediately, yes, appeal is allowed or appeal is rejected, such a kind of text message goes to the client. So naturally, they won't approach to advocates, clients. This was a scenario later on. And if at start, only I used to take the mobile numbers of advocates, that was quite familiar to them and that was easy for them. So such a kind of intricacy, such a kind of difficulties and complexity was there at the start. And loss of power by the particular Sirisida, because before whom the queue line was there right up to 6 o'clock in the evening to get the next date of adjournment. And for your information, for one adjournment on an average, in my district, one NGO has studied, one client has to spend 1,034 rupees per. So in my board, 2,800 cases were there. Next. Yeah, this is the kind of earlier. These are the models. Yeah, this is the procedure of appeal where I have the farmer wearing turban. He also receives the SMS at each stage. Also the advocate. See the collar that I am showing there. Both are receiving simultaneously as well as final order is also received.
Sir, एक मिनट रहेगा सत्य सांग
नहीं ठीक है. But next one model is that EPDS, that is we have linked FCI as well as all the godowns in our district, and whatever quantum of PDS is distributed to each village, that is being known to the individual by means of giving SMS. Every month we are giving more than 2,40,000 SMSs to the people to know what quantum of material that has been distributed by the collector to the particular village. This is also one, that is e-godown. Second one is election preparedness, through which we are managing, that is organizational efficiency model is there. Whether communication between all the field officers during the election and the returning officer, both are mutually communicated through this kind of election preparedness module. And the last one is auction. Our government, that is sand auction, quarry auction, that is being carried out sir, electronically. That is the e-auction system. These are the various models we have developed it, and e-rev code in Kolhapur district as of now is successfully being implemented. Sir, all across the district, all the codes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You want to ask something? Yeah, definitely. पोपटराव हा समोर तर विचार केलास तुम्हाला पहिले विचारलं. Is there anybody wants to ask any specific question? It is happening in Ajra also, sir.
Yeah.
All the talukas.
Yeah.
All 700 villages of Kolhapur.
Not 700 villages. See, there are
1700.
76 circles are there.
Okay.
I mean, circles officers are the primary level first judicial officers who can pass the orders. Yes, they have also entered into passing an order and uploading on the website.
You have reached around 2000 above post strata villages.
G?
You have reached around 2000 above post strata villages.
Yeah.
Have you done the complete documentation of the project? Because if you get transferred, the next officer has to know what exactly is being done.
Yeah, sir. I had 3 months, 4 months back only I have been transferred to Nagpur. Now, as of now, I am working in Nagpur district as a deputy commissioner. My successor, he is following the same right path because there is a lot of pressure from the people. Suppose if this has been stopped, people will definitely run over to office because that is quite visible to them. This is not at all now reversible. This is a irreversible process. This is sustainable process.
And it is scalable.
Yeah, absolutely, sir.
Definitely scalable.
Yeah,
Replicable.
Replicable also.
Any other collectors?
Yeah. 7 collectors they have demanded and they are registering even. Honorable Chief Secretary of Maharashtra, he has principally agreed to roll it across the state of Maharashtra.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि पंचायत के साथ कैसा प्रोग्राम है?
पंचायत के साथ ये है सर कि जब एक आदमी का हम जब ऑर्डर करते हैं कि उसको वेबसाइट से मालूम नहीं होता और ना उसको कुछ एसएमएस नहीं पढ़ने को आता, उसको मालूम होता है कि व्हाट इज द लास्ट डेट ऑफ ऑर्डर, दैट इज इन मराठी. ही कैन अप्रोच टू संग्राम सेंटर और सीएफसी सेंटर की असा असा ऑर्डर झालेली आहे आणि मला त्याची कॉपी पाहिजे. ते डिजिटली साईन आहे त्यामुळे त्याची आपोआप त्या ठिकाणी प्रिंट आउट निघते आणि नेक्स्ट अपीलला किंवा ह्याच्याला ती जाऊ शकतात. इतकं सिंपल
ये कि खाली ग्राम सेवक है इसके साथ या सरपंच भी?
नाही, एनीबडी कॅन ऍक्सेस, दॅट इज ओपन टू एव्हरीबडी एल्स, नॉट द लिटिगंट्स इवन. एनीबडी कॅन सी दॅट पर्टिक्युलर ऑर्डर. कुणीही साहेब ती ऑर्डर बघू शकतो. म्हणजे एखाद्या व्यक्ती नाही त्याला काही रजिस्ट्रेशन लागत नाही त्या साईडला. म्हणजे जगातला कुठलाही माणूस त्या साईडवरून अमुक ह्या क्रमांकाची केस या इयरची म्हटली की ती ऑर्डर दिसते. एवढा कोर्ट इज ओपन केलं.
Open source.
Yes, open source.
Well done. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you very much. Thanks a lot.